Welcome back, everybody. It's the web designer slash developer portfolio section creation series, where last time we finished on the work header section, the header section for the work presentation page or the case study page. And we have finished the wireframe last time. So today we're going to be focusing on more of the content in terms of we'll be taking inspiration from these two websites. As I told you, by the way, I have switched to using Zen instead of Chrome. I think it's much nicer to see for you as well, and it's more designer friendly. So one website which we are taking inspiration from is this website by Dennis Snellberg. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. And the other, obviously, this website by Solana Soli. So this is the true source of information we're going to be using. How are we gonna do this? So again, I've told you last time, my primary focus here is on telling a story, and I don't want the story to be written. Instead, I want it to be more visual, because people are more likely to like resonate with visual elements and like them more. So I would like it to be more visual. So last time through that we created the header section. Today we're going to be creating the contents. So now the contents is something a bit weird because we want to have both sides of the story. We want to have the content and the value proposition from this Sony website, and we want the visual representation that was used in this website. So I'm not going to be just showing the images, but also some text, but I'm going to be focusing on the images mainly. So here's like the idea of the website I'm going to be following here. The image will stay at the center. We're going to be removing most of the text, and the image will speak volumes instead of the text. So there will be three orientations. One orientation would be this, where we will just remove everything except some text here, and I'm just going to put the text bottom left, or sometimes maybe top right. Okay, yeah, top right, because like people would see the text faster if it was top right, and you can see it's very minimal. It's not too much of a text. So yeah, so the reason I'm doing that is I want to have this row just feeling of quality design and letting the design speak for itself. But I also want to give some more context and some more information in relation to that. So I'm just adding that bit of value to it now. So obviously the image will play a big part in this sort of presentation, right? So here we have the work header. Next up, actually we want to rename this. This is going to be the work content type 1. We're going to be having 3 types, as I told you. So let's duplicate this 2 more times, type 1. Now this will be, obviously, when we get to development stage, we'll need a way of like having it be rendered out, one of these 3 types, using some information from the CMS or content management system. I'm going to be setting up. That's like far into the future, so I'm not going to be worrying about that too much. But yeah, if some of you were like questioning how that would work in the development, that's like we'll deal with it in the CMS most of the time. So here we're gonna be continuing our work here, and the second type of orientation is this. I think I saw something like this 2-column approach. Yeah, 2-column approach here, around around here, but I want to focus on more of a text. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just take this and give it some pretty big text here, I would say. Copy, Ctrl+Shift+R, large headline text. Okay, so I want in the middle, like in between some of the content, I want there to be like some large text right here. Like it's not quite 2 columns, but if you think of it like it's not actually 2 columns, just like there would be a large text associated with it. So 2 value sets here. So I want there sometimes to be a headline, large text, something that doesn't, like for example, we'll use the type 1 when there is much content to be shared and a bit of context to be given, but here we would give this if it is more of a selling point, if it is like a slogan or something. So then we're going to come to the third one, and this one would be a bit different here. So for this one, we're going to actually just remove the background color. By the way, we should make sure that all our colors are variables. So our white, black here, and gray 300. Okay, great. So yeah, we have to remove everything from here, and this won't really have any content associated with it. It's just going to be pure images. So let's just take an image from here. So what this will do is basically we want to take it to be inside, and we want to go duplicate this 2 times and take this 2 times more, and we want to take these 2 and we want to take these 2. So this is the first row of images, this is another row of images, and both of them would have no gap in between. Okay, then top left here. Then both of these rows would have fill container. Okay, for some reason, okay, we have to first take these and group them. This would be images, right? So the images. Okay, so I want to change up the colors a bit here. For example, for this one, I want to give it 800, make the text black here. And for this one, I would like to go like full black. For this one, maybe, yeah, maybe still, maybe that's fine, actually, that's fine. Okay, so now we want to take this and we want to make both of them fill container, and we want to take all the images and also make them fill container, and when we drag this they should fill the container. But not only that, but we want to take all of this again and give it a height of fill container, and here as well a height of fill container. So now when we go down, it will be filling the container fully. Now I'm thinking of 2 variations for here. One, I might be considering this. Okay, yeah, I think that's much better. Okay, let's just remove this, position it top left, and let's just drag it out. The reason I like this much better is because it ties into like I don't even need the grid lines for this one. It ties into the like being lost in the design part aspect of the actual design language here. I don't want there to be any distractions here when I show these 4 images. So this would be for a bit more context. This would be like a headline, like a selling point, like a quirky thing. But this would be just pure showing the design, all part of it, in 4 images here. And like here, I think I saw something. It's something like this, but I want it to be more more engaging and more like inside, like like on in your face, like very much. Uh, I'm lost for words for it. Like I want it to be front and center, and I want the images and the work to speak loud. So these are the three variations. Let's just close them off and let's just take everything here, properly order them. Okay, great. Okay, very nice. So now we are done with the uh, snapshots and content. Next up, we're going to be moving to the CTA and navigation. Finally, we're going to be creating in one video, I think, the call to action page that won't really take us any time at all, just one video. Then we're going to be working on the mobile responsiveness, which will be very fun actually. It might not sound like it, but the mobile responsiveness here is very difficult, and we would have to discuss so many things and cover so many topics. So it will be very informative for you. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Really hope you are actually enjoying the series. Um, and yeah, there's not much more to say. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.